So this is where the images, and then here. So here the text what you see there, it was there, better education for amazing world. You can just click on that and then change the text. Click on that.
I can move the box, but
Yes, yeah, you can move the box.
oh, here's the text. Okay.
Yeah. You can just type something else and change it. Oh, okay, smiley. Right. So this is what I had done, and then this is the text you have changed, right? If you want to change the image, just click on the image. Click on the image, right click on the image, edit, media library. So here the images. So if you want to change any images, you can change the images. But make sure that the image is quite big enough to cover the whole thing here. I think it is 1920 into something there. Click on that. That is the image which we have now. This one will not go. Yeah, this one we can choose. This might be enough. So when you click on that, insert, so the background is changed now. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So once this is done, you can just save. On the top down, you have save button. Yeah, save. Now you go to the browser and refresh and see whether it is effective. Go back to the home page.
Oh, didn't work.
It didn't come.
But the logo has changed too.
Hmm?
The logo has changed too, and here the text has not changed, and the image has not changed.
I think the one second. Because when we have came from the pages, no, about us page. We came from the about us page. That is why it is not. Just go back to the page here. So here, yeah, click on the home. Click on the home. Yeah, click on the demo 2. No, demo 2. So on the top, no, here, you just remove this demo 2 here. Go to the top. On the, yeah, here. Okay. Click on home. Click on just home. Yeah, click there. You just click on this logo. Yeah. Okay, now just above that top is there where onlinenegus.com/. Okay, so it is going to somewhere else. See the go back. Yeah, go back. No, not there. Go to the browser. Go back here. Go back. Again, go back. Again, go back. Now you can see. It's changed. Okay. The first image is changed. Because the link of the home is going to the other link. So that is why we are not able to, we didn't able to see it. Now you have changed this this gas balloon and then it is changed now. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So now you go back to the slider revolution to the second slide. So yeah. So now click on the slides on the top. Just on the top slides are there. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Second slide. Yeah. Click on that. So this is the second slide. So here we can change again. We can change some text there.
Just do the same change. And then background.
Wow. Got it. Very fast.
Let's take this one.
Fine.
It should work. Yes.
Oh, great. So now we can see. So when you refresh it, it will become the second slide. Okay.
Yes, it worked.
Yes. So this is great. So this is how you can change the. Now, what if I need another one? What if I need another slider? Correct? This is only two slider which is they have given. So if I want another slider, just click on that. You have an option to duplicate that. When you click on the sliders, come down, not that one. No, click on the study. No, just come out of this. Yeah. So come down. The third one, not that one.
Import from modules.
No, not required. Just come out of this. Yeah. Come, click on sliders. Click on slider and take the cursor onto the first slider. First slider, yeah. So on the right hand side, you will see some icons. The third icon, that is the duplicate. When you click on that,
Yeah.
So what happens is you will get another slider, the duplicate one.
Like copy paste.
Yes, exactly. Because we don't want anything to be changed. It should look like the same. So what we are trying to do is we are just trying to duplicate it and then make the changes. So once you take the cursor on the sliders, so now we have three on third slider. Now click on that, and then now we change some text and then change the image and see. Refresh it. So now instead of 2 sliders, we should have 3 sliders. The second one, now with third one. Here it is. Right? So now you got 3 sliders now. So you can have multiple sliders like that, and then you can make it. So this is how you can work on the slider part. You're clear in this now? I think you have muted your mic.
Yes, this is clear, but there are many more options I can see.
Yeah. So many more options is for if you want to create your own sliders, you can create it. Hence, I suggest this because since the layouts are looking good, so if we try to change, maybe the change which we can do is the changes in the positioning of the text. You can do that. Like you can just take the like better education for an amazing world. You can just take right, left, top, right, bottom. So that you can change it. So that you can make the changes here. So maybe that also you can change the color or something on the right hand side. You can see you can change the color for all things also. So the content edit option is there. The first one, this on the right hand side, the icons are there. The first one.
Oh, you cannot move it with the mouse.
You can, yeah.
Oh yes, you can.
Yeah. I'm using the mouse. You're a fast learner, Merit.
Yeah, I remember stuff like this quite good. That's true.
Yeah, good. Yes.
But if I still remember it tomorrow is another question.
Good, great. Nice to have a student like this. It becomes easy for a trainer. Right. So this is how you can create whenever there is a changes required the changes you can do it. Like on the right hand side you have on the top edit option is there, edit button. The right side of this editor view is there. Editor view, yeah. Click on that edit. There is a pencil icon just below that. Just below that there is pencil icon, styles is there.
Oh yeah, content style, yes.
Yeah. Click on that, content edit. So this is the about the you can change the layout like here on when you go down, alignment, left, right, center, these things option is there. So you can say alignment there. So this also you can be edited. Style means you can change the color, everything you can do it. So I suggest only color change and then the positioning change can be more than enough.